guys, welcome back to my channel Travel Wonderful. Hello my wonderful people, how are you? I am so excited with this beautiful background, this amazing seaside. I want to invite you to this video as I'm gonna be showing you one of the beauties of Venezuela, which is the National Park Morrocoy, located in the Falcon State, and it is one of the most popular national parks in all Venezuela because of its incredible nature and all the cayos, which are small islands in which you can visit with a speedboat. So I'm gonna be showing you what this experience is like. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you like this video, and remember to leave a comment below. Enjoy the video. Travel wonderful. As you can see, this is a very beautiful environment here at the National Park Morrocoy. We started this journey very early, in which we left the Caribbean Marina Suites roughly around 9 in the morning, and from there we went all the way to the pier called Las Luisas, in which we took this speedboat that took us all the way from Tucacas to this beautiful National Park Morrocoy. But before that, we did a little stop in which we had amazing Venezuelan breakfast, empanadas. We had them filled with cazón, which is a kind of fish typical here in Venezuela, and pabellón as well. So it was really delicious. They cost roughly around $2 each, so really good. It was in a place called La Mallorquina, and now we are here. We took roughly 15-20 minutes from that pier to arrive here to this incredible cayo. This cayo is called Cayo Sombrero, and it's one of the largest of the National Park Morrocoy and one of the most popular as well. Right now it's not so busy because it's very early, so it gets really packed later. And well, we're enjoying so much. We took this speedboat from a friend. However, I can tell you that this can cost, if you want to do it by yourself, roughly around $200 to $250 to rent a good speedboat for the whole day. And yes, from here we're gonna be exploring other cayos, which are these little islands that make up the National Park Morrocoy. So you can walk around all this cayo and walk, and you're gonna be so relaxed among all this beautiful nature and all these palm trees that definitely gives a Caribbean touch to this amazing National Park Morrocoy, and specifically to this cayo of Cayo Sombrero. It's very important to know that this is one of the most popular cayos because it's one of the largest ones, and here everyone comes to enjoy themselves among all this beautiful seaside and all this incredible nature. So the people, you can see, they come in their speedboats over there, and they just stop them over there and enjoy the music, have some drinks, or simply relaxing themselves. You got people here that sells you all kind of things like food, drinks, and obviously services for umbrellas and sea chairs. So yeah, really complete experience here at the Cayo Sombrero Key. And before we continue with the video, guys, make sure you give a like, so do it right now. Subscribe to the channel and activate notifications so that you enjoy more videos like this in the future. So roughly 5 minutes from Cayo Sombrero, we arrived to another amazing cayo here in the National Park Morrocoy, which is called Cayo Pescadores, and it's a bit smaller than Cayo Sombrero, but in here the waters are even bluer, more turquoise color. Look how beautiful it is. And another amazing particularity about this cayo is that you got people coming to sell you different kinds of seafood, drinks, everything, whatever you would like to eat, prawns, oysters. So it's a really nice environment as well because we don't have as many people as in Cayo Sombrero, so it's very nice for relaxation. So really nice here, Cayo Pescadores as well. From here we're gonna go probably to another cayo. And by the way, just a few minutes ago we went to a part in which you can go down, like do kind of a snorkel, and also you can see a statue of La Virgen del Valle, which is the Holy Virgin for the fishermen. So people that loves fishing, especially in this coast of the National Park Morrocoy, they pray to the Virgin del Valle for them to get more fish. So really interesting, and have a look how beautiful it is under the water. Enjoy the view. So here we go, my sister Antonella, which is coming with me. So what do you think about the experience here so far?
Well, I think it's really nice here at the beach. It's really like relaxing, and it's really warm. So it's something different. You have to come and see and try it here, guys. It's really nice.
Thank you. Priscilla, Janela, there is Jody, which is the boyfriend of my sister. What do you think?
The camera can describe enough. What we see with our eyes is a very nice paradise here. Very nice.
Thank you so much. Enjoy, yes? There we go, the captain is just relaxing. And yes, everyone just relaxing and enjoying themselves here in the National Park Morrocoy, which is so beautiful. It is Friday and it's not as busy as I thought it would be, but I guess people is still working and they probably come in the late afternoon or from tomorrow to spend the Saturday and Sunday here. But definitely it's a paradise, guys. So as I was saying before, a speedboat like this, it costs roughly around $200 to $260 to rent it for a whole day. It can take you pretty much everywhere around the National Park Morrocoy. It's important to note that that's to up to 7 to 10 people. So yeah, when you divide that between 7 people, it's not bad at all, the price. So I think it's not very cheap, but it's not very expensive either. I was telling to Jody, which is my brother-in-law, that it cost me in Greece roughly around 100 euros per person for a speedboat similar size to go around. So obviously when we compare it to other countries, then the price is not as bad. So obviously in these speedboats you got space to put your drinks. Like if you go ice, you can put it in here as well. And yes, we are drinking rum from Venezuela, which is called Santa Teresa, and it's delicious. This rum costs roughly around $28. And we brought also carupano, very, very good. It's his favorite actually. Well, yes, enjoying with this beautiful weather, some drinks as well. Cheers. So as you can see, there are different tonalities of blue over here. If you go a little bit further, it's a little bit darker blue. But on this part, it's so turquoise and delicious. The water, really, really good. And yeah, we got even some more yachts that just arrived now. Obviously those ones for rent, they will be even more expensive, or maybe they are owners of that yacht. So yeah, so relaxing here, the environment at the National Park Morrocoy. We're still in Cayo Pescadores. On the other side, we got that little sort of island over there, very solitary, but so nice with the particularity of those, you know, like mangroves and vegetation. Really beautiful. It's like a paradise. The temperature of the water is very pleasant. It's neither not cold and not hot. It's very warm, so that makes it, you know, very enjoyable when coming here to the Keys, to the Cayos. It's a very, very relaxing time here at the National Park Morrocoy. So very beautiful weather, very beautiful beach, and very beautiful company. Here my family, they are currently playing volleyball, sort of, while enjoying this beautiful weather here. It's very quiet, I got to say, but it's even better if you want a more relaxed time. So then come, you know, during the week, I would say Monday to Friday. And if you want a bit more crazy, like more party, boom, 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 then come Saturday. So, but either way, whenever you come, it's amazing. And also it's very important to note that the water levels are very low over here, and you got a lot of sort of like small sandbanks all throughout this key. So it makes it very easy to walk, so you don't actually have to swim. So very enjoyable, and it's perfect for families with small children. So you can walk all over this amazing Cayo of Los Pescadores and have a relaxing and beautiful day here in Venezuela, the National Park Morrocoy. So we were playing here volleyball right now, and then came one of these guys offering you like seafood, so they deliver it pretty much like to your speedboat. And we got here the pana, the friend Melky Cabrera. He's not the baseball player, but he's the guy here from National Park Morrocoy. And he offers you a bit of everything, octopus, yeah, mixed platter he's serving currently, lobsters, octopus, ceviche, prawns, a bit of everything. So he makes us an offer of 3 like full plates that usually he charges for $20, so 3 for $50. So it's very important that you need to negotiate here the prices. Hay que negociar, ¿verdad? Claro. So he make it in the moment for you. You got really nice octopus over there. So what do you think of this?
I think it's amazing. Like,
you haven't seen this in Italy, right?
From the sea to your mouth, very fresh.
¿Cuándo capturaste todo eso? He sell it, he buy it, and he resell it. But he said this being all taken very early this morning. So these are the plates. So we paid 3 of those, like with octopus, prawns, more octopus over there, like calamari and ceviche. 3 of these for $50. So what do you think? Is this expensive? You got to consider that we are on the beach, so that's literally no restaurants or anything else over here, and it's completely fresh. It looks delicious. What do you think? Let me know in the comments right now. So delicious, guys. It's so fresh, delicious, tasty. Really, really good. It's worth it. So 3 plates for $50. Not cheap, not expensive. I think it's the price, but you need to negotiate, obviously. Always. And while we're eating, look what we got here. We got a Pez Globo, which is kind of friendly. He's not gonna do nothing to you. I hope you can appreciate him in the camera. Is it good, Jody? ¿Está bueno?
Bueno.
Everyone thinks it's very good. Look at this, so fresh. So good, guys. And at the end, he's offering even one more. He's saying one more, so we're gonna pay four of those for $60. So it's so good that he saw that we wanted kind of more, and he offered us, okay, I'm gonna give you one more for extra 10. So it's all about negotiating. Instead of paying $80 for 4, we're paying $60 for 4 of them. So not bad. We start giving a little bit of food to the fish over here, and look how many, so many of them coming over here. So we have right now to another amazing Cayo here in the National Park Morrocoy. We are in Cayo Los Juanes, which is also very famous and popular. Oh, and here we got my friend from Sardinia. He's showing proudly his drink. Yeah, in here as well, you got people telling you things. We got some yachts at the very background as well. And yeah, the particularity about this Cayo is that when it's like weekends, I mean right now you cannot appreciate it very much, people comes in their yachts, speedboats, and they all park like next to each other while listening to music. I mean, sort of like this style, but so many. I'm gonna show you anyway a little bit of footage so you can see it. And people dance, enjoy, drinks all next to each other. So this is like a Cayo for the party people while enjoying this beautiful nature as well. So not far from Cayo Los Juanes, we got here another statue of La Virgen of the Valle. Here people come and leave their tributes and really nice messages in this very big rock in which she's at. So it's very, very beautiful. So if you are a Catholic person or religious person, it's worth coming here at least for a couple of minutes to look at this beautiful statue. So this is it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and as usual, leave your thoughts on the comments about this beautiful National Park Morrocoy and about the beaches of Venezuela. Thank you so much for watching. Travel wonderful.